responsibility that I wish to, on behalf of market women in Edo State, appreciate our distinguished governor, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, and his team for making this get together a reality. Market women in Edo State have, over the years, been playing supportive role to government of the day to enable it succeed in its plan to positively touch the lives of the people. Our dear governor, we are glad to be part of your landmark achievements in all aspects of the economy of the state. Sir, it is worthy of note that your quality leadership has brought about clean market environment and free flow of traffic as a result of well-planned motor park system. It is evident that Edo people are in for a better time when viewed against the backdrop of prompt payment of salaries, creation of skills acquisition program for Libya returnees to make them relevant to themselves and the society, refurbishment of several schools to make learning conducive for our children and their teachers, most especially the introduction of technical education known as Edo Best. Our dear governor, the rehabilitation of roads across the 3 senatorial districts of the state is an attestation to the fact that you are ready to boost the social and economic life of Edo people. Your commitment to sports development is reflected in the rehabilitation of Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium, and it is our expectation that we will be invited to be part of the success story during the formal commissioning of the stadium, sir. We commend you for reviving Bethel Insurance Football Club and getting it promoted to the Premier League. We like to use this get together as an opportunity to appeal to you to consider the construction of bowl and toilet facilities in markets, as well as provision of solar energy to avert fire outbreak. We like to also appeal to you to consider the appointment of market women as board members. Wait and see, governor, as you are known today, due to hard work. As mothers, we acknowledge your concern for the welfare of Edo people, demonstrated recently when you rebuked the managing director, Benin Electricity Distribution Company, Mrs. Funke Oshibo, over poor power supply. It is our hope that the attention of the Minister of Power and Housing, Babatunde Fashola, will be drawn to rescue Edo people from poor electricity supply, which has crippled business in markets. Being very satisfied with you, with your leadership style, we expect that this yearly party with you will be sustained. We are prepared to work with government at all levels to make the state great. Our dear governor, I wish to thank you for this opportunity. I pray God to continue to protect you as you work towards making life meaningful for Edo people.
Our mothers, our sisters, our aunties, we're here for all of you have been my backbone. You are our greatest supporters. You are the ones on the streets, in the markets, who come and tell us every day what is going on. You are the ones who come and advise us in government house what to do. Without you, we will not succeed. Without you, we will not have achieved what we have achieved. I would be lying if I say we did it because of us. Not be because we sabi, now we dey do wetin we dey do. Now because una dey tell us wetin to do, Now make us they do wetin we dey do. Now na cry come meet us. Say, wetin all these Agbero they do for Benin not good. Wetin Agbero they do for Edo not good. Make we help una. Now make us drive Agbero come on for road. By the grace of God, Agbero now will come back to Edo again. Now tell us, say teacher not dey go school, that pikin not dey learn for school again. Make we help una. Now make us come, we can't do the one that they call Edo Best. Una notice Subeb they do, Subeb don't enter all our school. That they teach our teacher, that they train our teacher, that they teach our children. Now tell us, say road not good. The kind of road, the road where we go do. Now make us do all the road when we fit tap for Edo, for Benin. So from Ugbo to Ugbo now, they take you past 30 minutes. But we still get plenty things when we go do for Edo. We just start. We know, say something still hard. But by the grace of God, with the help of federal government, we dey put money inside agriculture. When I see this Edo Food Fair, from next year, when una dey do una Christmas party like this, una not go fit stay here. Now food go full everywhere. Because we dey help farmer now. We dey give farmer money, we dey give them help so that they fit grow food for farm. Today, not be day for talk, na a day for say thank you. All of una went day market, from Aduwawa market to Akoko Edo, to Esan, to Oriomo. All of una will say thank you. Una don't try for our government. We appreciate una. We know what una they do. We know what in the pain una. Today, we award the largest contract for road for Edo State today. From Upper Sakoba to Abraka Road, we award them today. So all of you, 106 kilometers. So all of una for Oriomo, all those areas, now you have roads to bring your food to Edo. The one when I want to do now before we go for Christmas. Una know am? No. Una know am? No. Now the one when Vice President make I can't do for now, that they call him trader money. I go give trader money to 20,000 market women for Edo State. 20,000 market women. I go give una trader money. I go also give market men, not the only women. I don't do everything down. So in the next 1 month, when I give the people go come around market, just give your phone number, your name and your phone number. They go give una trader money, make una take trade. Una here?